Have you ever woken up feeling like your stomach is a balloon about to burst? I have. Many people experience this, and it's often because of what they had the evening before. But sometimes there are common breakfast foods that are the culprits behind your morning bloating. Today we will look at 6 simple breakfast foods that won't give you a bloated stomach. Instead, they will keep things running smoothly so you can start your day feeling light and energized. Let's dive in. Number 1, oatmeal. Oatmeal is a fantastic breakfast choice because it's filling and can help you feel full for a long time. But not all oats are created equal. Look for plain, old-fashioned rolled oats cooked with water or almond milk. These are your digestion's best friends. Oats contain a type of fiber called soluble fiber. This fiber dissolves in water and adds bulk to your stool. And here's the good part, it makes things down under move along smoothly without any unnecessary delays or discomfort. Now, here's a tip. Avoid instant oats with added sugars or artificial flavors. These may be convenient, but they can lead to bloating and discomfort. Number 2, bananas. Bananas, the perfect grab-and-go breakfast. They're not just delicious and convenient, they're also a great source of potassium. Potassium is a mineral that helps balance out the amount of sodium in your body. Too much sodium can make you feel bloated because it causes your body to retain water. So eating a banana, which is naturally high in potassium, can help reduce bloating caused by excess sodium. Just make sure to eat them ripe. Slightly unripe bananas might feel a bit starchy and contribute to gas, which can make you feel even more bloated. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is like a superhero of the breakfast world. It's packed with protein and calcium, and it's a great source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria for your gut. These probiotics support a healthy digestive system and can help prevent bloating. When choosing Greek yogurt, go for the unsweetened plain varieties. Full-fat or low-fat options are fine. Just ensure there are no added sweeteners. These can cause bloating and are not a good choice if you're looking to keep things simple and bloat-free in the morning. Number 4, boiled or poached eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and are generally easy to digest. They don't contain fermentable carbs, which means they won't produce gas that can lead to bloating. However, the way you prepare your eggs matters. While adding ingredients like garlic or onions can enhance the flavor, these ingredients can also trigger bloating in some people, especially in the morning when your stomach is still settling for the day. So keep it simple. Start with boiled or poached eggs and add those flavorful toppings later in the day if you find they don't bother your stomach. Number 5, papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit that contains an enzyme called papain. This enzyme is a protease, which means it aids in breaking down protein. This can help with digestion, especially if you've had a heavy meal the night before. If you're dealing with bloating, consider eating papaya on an empty stomach. This allows the papaya to work its magic without any interference from other foods. Eating it fresh and alone can also help you avoid any potential interactions or complications with other foods or digestive issues you might be facing. Number 6, chia pudding. Soaked chia seeds. Chia pudding is a fantastic option for breakfast. Chia seeds expand when soaked, and this texture helps move things along in your digestive system. It provides fiber without the bloat. The key is to soak the chia seeds overnight or for at least a few hours. This is known as chia blooming. It allows the seeds to absorb liquid and create a gel-like consistency. This consistency makes it easier for the seeds to pass through your digestive system without causing discomfort or bloating. When preparing chia pudding, mix the soaked chia seeds with almond or coconut milk and let them mingle overnight. You can also get fancy by adding a few berries or sliced banana on top. These additions are not only visually appealing, but they also bring their own digestive benefits to the table. Now that you know which breakfast foods can help keep your stomach happy, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Start your day right and nourish your body with the right fuel. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthy you. Before you go, here are some bonus tips to help prevent morning bloating. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Lemon juice can help stimulate the production of digestive juices, aiding in the breakdown of food and reducing the likelihood of bloating. Avoid carbonated beverages at breakfast. The bubbles in soda and sparkling water can introduce air into your stomach, leading to discomfort and bloating. Eat slowly and mindfully. This not only helps with digestion, but also prevents you from swallowing air, which can contribute to bloating. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button. Stay healthy and happy.